Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to change the filter for my car cabin. So the steps are almost the same for most of the cars. I'll show you how it's being done. Let's go. Okay guys, so the place to change the cabin filter is located inside your glove compartment. So I'll show you how to open it and replace the cabin air filter. Let's go. Come. So, is there light? This is where you can change your cabin filter. There you go. This is the used cabin filter, right? And this is my new cabin filter. You can get it online for a couple of bucks, maybe $8 to $10. Take this out. And you fix it. And you are done fixing the cabin filter. Alright, thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye bye.